Hello everyone, very good evening one and all. Welcome to the most comprehensive preparation platform BYJU'S Exam Prep and welcome to the session guys. Today's session is going to be very useful session because today I will be discussing the tips, tricks. I'll be giving the very important suggestions to attain AIR under 100 in 100 days preparation. See, we know GATE 2023 exam is approaching, which will be in the February 2023. So, productively, if you calculate, we have almost 100 days left with us. So, is it possible to attain under 100 AIR with this 100 days preparation? Right? This would be a big doubt. And there could be many students who have already joined the GATE 2023 preparation, who already have started but still not feeling confident. There could be. And there could be some students who have applied for the GATE exam just recently and they wanted to prepare but they are unable to start, unable to know how to start effectively. Right? So, today we will definitely discuss how you can do this possible in 100 days, how you can be under 100. Hello Lalit Yadav, hello Akash Maji, hello everyone. Please mark your presence. Let me know who have joined the session and also quickly like the session, share to your friends because I know you people are Ratka Kiladis. I know that you will be so active in this time. So this is very productive time for you. So guys, just spend few minutes with me and let us discuss how we can make it possible in this 100 days, how we can prepare for the GATE exam so that we will be under 100. Okay. So guys, attain GATE AIR with 100 days preparation, that too under 100. So let us know how that is possible guys. So before I start, let me introduce myself quickly. I am Satya, research scholar with 15 plus years of teaching experience. I have mentored more than 35,000 students all over India in the GATE and PSU segments. Myself qualified in GATE, UGC NET, SET and also certified by Cisco. Okay, this is quick credential about me guys. Now in our BYJU'S exam preparation programs, you can get up to 90% scholarship. 90% scholarship. How? By attempting this scholarship test and giving your good performance. Right? So this would be on 29th October at 8 p.m. So utilize this opportunity, and those who have already enrolled our courses, try to circulate this to your friends also so that they can get it just at a 10% fee of the course. Right? Dasi Raghuram, good evening. All right. So guys, before I start, I wanted to ask you, what do you think? In 100 days preparation, will it be possible? Can we stand under 100 AIR in the GATE exam? Yes, Prashant. Yes, I have brought the plan for you. Definitely, I will be giving it. So, what do you think, Lalit, Raghuram, Prashant, and everyone? I am asking you, do you think it is possible Do you think it is impossible? So I first wanted to hear from you for a couple of minutes. Please. Okay, okay. So you are waiting. So Akash says it is difficult but possible. Manoj, yes. Lalit Yadav, yes. Yes. Yes, guys. That is the spirit. Really, really, it is possible. There were many case studies. There were many people who have started their gate preparation exactly in the October month. Just with 3-4 months preparation, they were in the top 100. And I I have seen my students, couple of students, of course, two students were there. One in 2018, one in 2000, I think 20 or 21, I believe 2020 gate exam, yes. And one have written 2018 gate exam, who were not at all confident till October. They were telling like we were stuck with our semester exams, our college work, academic work, and all. Yeah, I am unable to concentrate, sir. I am forgetting everything. So I feel like I know nothing in the gate exam. I am not at all getting confidence, sir. Such a person, after, of course, after his hard work, after a little motivation, little guidance from my side, he implemented it, and finally, one of that candidate was all India rank 58, and there is one more student who got all India rank 9 in 2018, all India rank 9, and 2020 student, my student, all India rank 58. I know them because they have productively started their preparation in the October month, dear friends. So, what is needed for it? First of all, let's see. As I am from computer science, I am presenting the computer science subjects here. If you belong to any other branch, like you may be from mechanical or civil or electrical or electronics or any other XYZ branch, you know what subjects we have for the gate exam, right? So let it be generic, guys, generic for every branch. As I am from computer science, I am just presenting the subjects we have in the computer science gate. In the same way, you take your subjects. I believe for everybody, we have general aptitude, engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics. These are common, and the other technical parts vary branch to branch, right? So for computer science, we have 12 topics. If you just treat every subject as one topic, so we totally have 12 titles in the gate. Yes, Kiran, that is what I am telling. This is for every branch, undoubtedly for every branch. Just as an example, I have presented the CS subjects here. In the same way, you know your subjects, right? Being from mechanical, being from civil, being from electrical, being from electronics, being from instrumentation, being from petroleum engineering, being from some other branch, you know your subjects, right? I believe for every one of you, these three subjects are common, and the other subjects you have your own branch specific, isn't it? Now, if I talk about what you have to do, let's say you have not at all started your preparation, you have just applied for the gate exam. You have aspiration, you have just applied for the gate exam, you know just the syllabus, what subjects are there, just you have that much knowledge. You have not yet started the preparation. So the very first step what you have to do is go through the previous year's weightage. Our experts, like from our BYJU'S exam prep, in every branch, you take mechanical, you take civil, you take electrical, electronics, instrumentation. Our experts have conducted so many sessions. giving you the weightage from each subject, right? As I am from computer science, I am giving the weightage on an average. Like if you, by observing the last 5 to 10 years trend, this is what the weightage. We know that for everybody, general aptitude 15 marks out of 100, engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics together 13 marks. So these two together will give you 28 marks. The other core specific subjects will give you 72 marks, right? So guys, this is for computer science. For mechanical people, for electrical people, electronic people, the first step what you have to do now after this session, just explore our YouTube channel. You will get so many videos by our experts giving you the weightage in the same way. From which subject, what was the weightage? The frequent weightage. Right? Prashant, yes, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Ritik, just observe what I am telling. Definitely every one of your doubts gets resolved. I am confident in this. I am confident in this. Every one of your doubts, irrespective of your branch, will be resolved. Okay. So guys, now if you observe, 28 marks common, 72 marks from your technical specific, your discipline specific. So computer science students, you have more 9 subjects to prepare for 72 marks. Electrical, electronic people, you have more subjects. Mechanical people, civil people, you have more subjects. I know you don't have just 9, you might have 11 subjects also. Fine, but get to know the weightage. For computer science, if I talk just a minute, let me talk. Computer science, dear friends, always you should think this computer science technical subjects as not individual subjects. You please select them or understand them as combo. What? As a combo. Digital logic, computer organization and architecture, operating systems. This is one combo, the best combo. Similarly, programming data structures, algorithms. Again, this is a perfect combo. In the same way, theory of computation, compiler design. So these three are undivided combos, guys. You cannot differentiate or you cannot actually divide these subjects while you prepare. Yes, you can prepare separately, but when you look at gate perspective, you have to think these as combined, because in the gate questions sometimes one question will have relation with other subject knowledge. You might have seen it many times. Hi Sri Lakshmi, Krishnan. Yeah, within 24 means what? You are giving for 2024, so you have ample time. Definitely you can. Definitely you can. Okay, Krishnan, definitely you can, because you have ample time. You have almost 15 months time. Definitely you can. Okay. So computer science friends, these three you have to take as a combos. In the same way for mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, your branches, you also will have such combos. Definitely you people will have. As I am not from that branch, I can't speak in your subject terms, but definitely you also will have such combos. So always prepare them together. So as I can see as I can see, uh, Prashant was asking this, sir, from programming data structures and algorithms, how many marks you can expect? Guys, together, programming data structures, algorithms, together, I can say you can expect 20 marks. 20 marks. Okay. In the same way, digital logic, computer organization, and operating systems. These together, you can expect easily 22 marks. And from these two, theory of computation and compiler design together, you can easily expect 13 marks, dear friends. So I am giving minimum number. I am giving minimum number. So here you got 55 marks out of 72. Out of 72. Now let me reveal how many marks you should attain if you have to be under 100. See, this is for computer science. This is for computer science. Mechanical students, civil students, instrumentation students, please take this as a reference. What I am telling now is for computer science, of course, but what I am presenting, same way, you please take this as a reference. You take it as a checklist. First, what sir has shown? Subjects. So do you have your subjects? Yes. Second, weightage, subject wise. Third, identify the combos. Fourth, you please get to know marks and rank this mapping. So for computer science, if I talk about, if you need to be in top 10, in top 10, dear friends, you have to attain 78 to 90 marks. Like top 1, you say 90 marks, all India rank 10 holder, you can say 78. So 90 to 78, if you can score, yes, definitely you can be under top 10 for computer science. Similarly, again I am telling, you take this as a reference in the same way you find for your branch. As I am not from that branch, I might not have command on that. But our experts on our platform have given this information many times. Just spend half an hour time, dear friends, because it is for your sake, isn't it? So you just spend half an hour time on our YouTube channel, on our BEP website, you get this information. Okay. And if you want to be under 50, from 11 to 50, so you have to attain 71 to 77 marks. Now, I am talking about under 100, right? So, fine, even you get 99 rank is also under 100, because in this 100 days preparation, under 10 is very, very difficult, but under 100 is definitely possible. So, this is what you have to understand. Top 100 is definitely possible with little effort. Little effort. Top 10, yes, it is also possible, but you have to give more effort, guys. So if you have not started your preparation yet, please aim for this. To be under 100, that means you have to attain minimum 67 marks out of 100. So 67 out of 100. So in this 67, let me tell you, dear friends, engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, general aptitude is giving you 28 marks. So more, how much you want? Approximately 40 marks. So more 40 marks is what your aim. So more 40 marks means I have already shown you the combos. From them you are getting already, see, 55 marks. So if you can prepare just these, 7 subjects more, you can get 55. But I don't want to be partial towards these subjects. You can choose DBMS, you can choose computer networks also. You can choose. But I am telling that you choose the subjects in such a way that you are preparing for this at least 55 marks, so that we have negative marking, because all the time we can't be 100% correct, because after all we are human beings. We might commit mistakes, though we prepare well, though we are 100% confident. Sometimes it is possible to commit mistakes, right? Some calculation mistake, some silly mistake, something in the hurry, or you understood the question in a wrong way. So there could be many reasons. So keeping that negative marking into consideration, you you want 67, 68 marks. I am telling you, prepare for 83 marks, 85 marks, 15 marks weightage. Yes, you can leave at this point of time. At this point of time, 15 marks weightage subjects. Yes, if you are aiming under 10, top 10, no option. You have to prepare every subject. That's why I said now at this time top 10 is very, very difficult, but a top 100 is very much possible. I hope now you understood. If you are aiming for top 10, you are not supposed to leave any subject as your choice. Okay? Under 100, yes, you can choose any two subjects such that their weightage is not more than 15 marks. So any two subjects you can leave. Out of 12 for computer science, you choose 10. In that 10, these three are must. Engineering maths, discrete maths, general aptitude are must. From the other technical, choose 7 subjects. You have 9 subjects now, choose 7 subjects, so that you are preparing for 85 marks. In that 85, I am leaving 17 marks for the negative marking. Okay, so I am not telling that you will do 100% correct. I know it is not possible. So chalo, you did 10 questions wrong. So their negative marking 10 questions will take some, I think around 15, 16 marks. So out of 85, 15, 16 you take out. Then you will be getting 68, 69. That means you are under 100, right? So you think in this way. Now, Sri Lakshmi individual topic weightage, that can be done in a separate session, but subject wise weightage now, as of now, I have given. Okay. Now guys, so what is the plan? 100 days plan. 100 days means, sir, from when to when you have counted? Dear friends, I have counted from this October 21st, means from tomorrow to Jan 31st only. Actually, if you count, you will get 104 days. Exactly, if you keep a count on this, you will get 104 days, 104 days. But fine, let us make it, let us understand that we have 100 days. Okay, because in New Year, we will not prepare. Diwali, we will not prepare. Like that, if you just take 3-4 days, 100 days we have with us. Okay, so what I am telling is, this is for everybody. Mechanical students, civil students, electrical students, electronic students, computer science students, everybody listen. What I am telling, I am dividing this 100 days into 4 quarters. Okay, first 25 days, next 25 days, next 25 days, and the last 25 days. So I am dividing it into 4 quarters. Day 1 to day 25, day 26 to day 50, day 51 to day 75, and day 76 to day 100. I will tell you what you have to do in every quarter. That's why I am here, right? I will tell you definitely what you have to do in these 4 quarters. In each quarter, what you have to do. Now, in the first quarter, how many days, how many hours you have to prepare. In the second quarter, means in the next 25 days, how many hours. In the next quarter, how many hours. This is what your doubt, Prashant. Yeah, I have definitely brought this for you. So guys, you might think for a while, what is there to tell? How SAR knows how many commitments we have. We have our college, we have our semester exams, we have our project, we have our office, we have so many things to manage. हाँ, बोलने का क्या है? SAR बोलते इतना घंटा पढ़ो, इतना घंटा पढ़ो. But guys, see, prioritizing the things is very, very, very important. These 3 months, this 100 days is very crucial for you as you are a GATE aspirant. You are not a GATE aspirant, okay. Who are telling you to stay here? Who are telling to watch this? You are not a GATE aspirant. You don't want under 100. Okay, fine. Go and sleep. Enjoy. Then you will regret. That is a secondary. But if you want AIR under 100, yes, what I am telling will work. Will work, dear friends. I am not just telling randomly, or I am just not guessing, or whatever comes in my brain I am not giving you. See, I do have 15 plus years of teaching experience. I have mentored thousands of students. There are many students who were rankers. There were many students who have completed their post graduation in IITs. There were many students from NITs. Even you don't believe, I could not complete my PhD, but there were at least 10 12 students who have completed PhD, who have taken training from me, not PhD training, for whom I have given the GATE training. I could not do due to some constraints, but my students have completed PhD. Now they are doctorates. So out of this experience, definitely I can. Similarly, every branch BYJU'S Exam Prep has experts with so much of expertise, so much of analysis we have done for you. So what I am telling will work. What you have to do, you have to follow it. So trust. You might have heard many places, many quotes. If you have a cancer kind of disease also, if you trust a doctor, even if he gives a Dolo 650 kind of level of medicine, it will be cured. You should trust. So trust is more important. So you need not to trust me, you trust your expert, but guru is important to guide, right? So with so much analysis, I am giving these guys how many hours to dedicate. I don't give some magical numbers, I don't give some impossible numbers, guys. 100 days, actually total how many hours we have? Simple calculation, 100 into 24, 2400 hours actually we are having. From tomorrow to Jan 31st, we are having 2400 hours. So what do you think? Do you expect SAR will tell prepare 800 hours, 1200 hours, 1000 hours? No, I will give which is very possible. Okay, so make it clear, guys. You are doing this in the first quarter. You are preparing 4 hours per day. 4 hours. I am not asking much time, just 4 hours. You organize this 4 hours as per your convenience. You wake up early. This 100 days is like do or die situation for you. This 100 days is not a honeymoon period for you. It is not the time to enjoy, because after 100 days you will have so much time for all kind of enjoyments. So this 100 days you have only one mission, that is GATE. So what you have to do, you this 4 hours, you organize as per your convenience, like morning 2 hours or morning 1 hour. Once you go to college, I know, guys, I know college students. I am also from the college only, right? I also worked in colleges, universities. So I know how students are in the college. Definitely you will get a 1 hour time. That 1 hour you go to your library. Who will stop you if you go to library? No one from no college will stop you. So you go to library, that 1 hour you prepare. Similarly, after you come back from the college, you give 1 hour. Before you sleep, 1 hour. Or as per your convenience. There's just an example I am telling. In the morning, you give 2 hours. In your college, 1 hour. In the evening, 1 hour. See, think in this way. It is very much possible, right? I am asking the bloody 4 hours per day. The first 25 days, give 4 hours per day. Next 25 days means in the second and third quarters. In the second and third quarters means the next 50 days, yes, you have to little stretch, because we have less time, no? We see, you should compete with the students who started their GATE preparation 1 year ago, who started 2 years ago, who started 6 months ago than you. So with them you have to compete now. So definitely you have to stretch a bit, right? So the next 50 days, I seek you have to prepare 5 hours per day. Okay, and the last 25 days, this is, yes, I know this is difficult, giving 6 hours only for the GATE preparation. I know this is difficult, but please manage the things for this 25 days. Like, I should not say as a faculty this word, like to bunk the classes, to don't go for college, that kind of statements I don't use in this open platform. But you manage the things, guys. You know very well what to do, how to manage. You are very smart in that, right? You are very smart in that. So for simple reasons, for useless reasons, you will manage the things. You might have managed the things till now. Now for a useful thing, for your career, for your future, those 25 days please manage, and somehow you spend 6 hours. So all together, how many hours? First quarter 4 hours, so 100 hours. Second quarter 5 hours, so 125 hours. Third quarter 5 hours, 125 hours. Fourth quarter 6 hours, so 150 hours. So total it is 500 hours. 2400 hours we have. 500 hours only I am asking. Can't you give even that 500 hours? For your sake, man. I am not asking for me. For you. For you. And this 500 hours also I am not telling 5 hours a day. First quarter, yes, just 4 hours. You, because the That's the first 25 days is the starting. You need to just habituate, then slowly increase your pace. That is what I am telling. So what you people say, I want to hear from you. You tell me, is this possible or not for you? Will it be possible for you or not, or you make it possible or not? Tell me, guys. You have already finished some subjects, guys. Well and good. Now you can arrange, you can just modify these number of hours as per your performance, as per your intellectuality. Okay, I am giving this for the one who is starting their preparation from tomorrow. So you have already started. Well and good, right? So now 500 hours I don't want. Now you can reduce. Good, good. So now what you are supposed to do in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, now I will reveal. Before that, you can now download our free ebook and you will be able to attend all our scholarship tests and all the information about our GATE workshops by subscribing to our BYJU'S Exam Prep YouTube channel. The link will be given in the description. So do register without fail, dear friends. Now, yes, what you have to do in the first quarter. So first quarter, Praveen Shankar, it is very good. You have got 1313 rank in 2022. So really appreciated. Praveen Shankar, you ask yourself why you have got 1313, where you were lagging. You prepared every subject, but on the exam, your performance was not up to the mark. You forgot the things. You did calculation mistakes more. You were in the pressure. You were in the hurry. You could not manage the time. Or you left some subjects which are very important. Have question for everything. You will get the answer. Due to this, I lost these 10 marks or 15 marks. Otherwise, I could have been under 100. You know, right? So, first know your mistake. If you can know your mistake, knowing itself is the solution for the mistake. As per my knowledge, how to correct a mistake means know what exactly the mistake is. 90% of the times, knowing the mistake itself is the solution or correction for it. So please do follow it. Okay. So everybody, let's get back to this context. In the first 25 days, that means from tomorrow till November 14th, what you have to do? Yes, guys, again I am telling, this is for the beginner who start their preparation from tomorrow. If you have already started, just you can relate accordingly. Like I am telling, you have to prepare 5 subjects in this 25 days. If you say, sir, I have already finished 2 subjects, then how many I want you to prepare? 3. If you say, sir, I have already prepared 3, so more to I demand. Okay, so accordingly you can match. And if anyone is starting from tomorrow, preparing 5 subjects in 25 days means for one subject only 5 days. It's not joke. It's not joke. Okay, so and that 5 days means 20 hours only. Sir, 20 hours, how anyone can prepare a subject, sir? Hmm? What you are what you are telling? This is what the doubt you get. This 25 days, when I say prepare 5 subjects, you should first know, get the knowledge of every topic. What is this concept? What are the important formula? What is the flow of this subject? How the gate questions comes? So get a complete idea. Okay, then you practice PYQs of them. Once you know the subject knowledge, once you gain the subject knowledge, you practice PYQs of them. Guys, PYQs means previous year questions. These are must, because PYQs will give you an idea about how the question can come from that particular concept. How you can get question from particular concept, how the question can be framed. So PYQs are very, very important. Then subject wise tests. So if you have already prepared some subjects, take subject wise tests. You will be knowing your performance. If that subject test is for 30 marks, you are scoring only 12 marks. That means your subject preparation is not even 50%. That is what the proof. So with the subject wise test, what is the advantage? You will know how strong you are at that subject. Not just one test, guys. For every subject, try to take at least two tests. At least two tests. Okay. So these three are what important to do in the first quarter. Now, in the second quarter, means from November 15th to December 9th, the next 25 days, what you have to do? Prepare engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, plus 2 new subjects of technical. Already in the first 25 days, 5 subjects you have covered. Now 2 technical along with engineering maths and discrete maths. So now I am telling you to prepare 4 only, not 5 subjects I have told. 2 technical, discrete maths, engineering maths. So 4 only I am giving. So now prepare 4 subjects in the next 25 days, and I have increased the number of hours also. If you observe, first 5 subjects के लिए 4 hours I told. Here 4 subjects 5 hours I said. So definitely time I have increased, load I have decreased. Why? Because in the first quarter 5 subjects we can't prepare completely effectively. So we definitely need a follow up. Where when you do that follow up, that's why I said. So whenever you prepare any subject, definitely PYQs are very important. Along with that, now you have increased 1 hour extra every day. That 1 hour, what you have to do? Revise that previous 5 subjects. Definitely you find some gaps, some topic you were not confident in the first quarter, or some concept you understood the concept but you are unable to solve the problem, or some formula you are frequently forgetting. Like that you will find the gaps, right, when you take subject wise tests. That's why I am telling you to take subject wise test. So once you find those gaps in this second quarter, try to fill those gaps in this revision process. Try to fill those gaps. Okay, so I am not only giving that 25 days, guys. In this 25 days also, one hour I have blocked for those subjects. right? So here you are getting 25 hours, there you are getting 25 hours. So 45, 50 hours, yes, sufficient. 25 hours, I also agree. It is not sufficient for any subject. But 45, 50 hours, yeah, why not? Provided it is productive. Just for count sake, खाली नंबर के लिए आप 50 घंटा पढ़ो या 100 घंटा पढ़ो या 500 घंटा पढ़ो, कुछ फायदा ना रहता. No use just for the number sake. If you open your book, sit and study. Make it productive. Okay. Now again, take subject wise tests of engineering maths, discrete maths. Now total 7 technical subjects. In the first quarter 5, here 4. Total 9 subjects. Now actually it is sufficient. Why? To be under 100. For top 10, not sufficient. For top 50, not sufficient. Again I am telling. Just you can be under 100. Like most probably 70 to 100th rank possible. 15 marks you can leave. Aim for 85 marks. Attain 68 marks. 68 to 70 marks. Yes, definitely you can be under 100. Okay. So in the next quarter, in the third quarter, what you have to do? Revise all these 9 subjects thoroughly, filling the gaps. Revision I am telling. I am not telling to prepare. Preparation is different, revision is different. Revision means you already know, you quickly have glance about every concept, everything. Now along with that, general aptitude. Till now I did not mention you to prepare, right? So now from December 10th onwards, you pick up this general aptitude. Every day, here also 5 hours you have to do. Every day 2 hours you give for general aptitude, 3 hours. See, is 25 days, every day 3 hours you give for the already prepared subjects. So now 25 into 3, 75 hours added. Already there I have given 225 hours. Now more 75 hours I am giving. So total 300 hours I am giving you for the practice, for the preparation of the concepts, practice, subject wise tests. So you think in this way, it would be possible. Okay. Now you have to go ahead with this. Subject wise tests, PYQs are not just sufficient. You want even some more model, because just PYQs will give you idea. Subject wise test will give you again the assessment, how strong you are at that particular subject. Now you want more practice. Maybe of similar model with different values. If given, are you able to solve? Indirectly given, are you able to solve? Right. So for that more practice and to improve speed, to improve accuracy, this is required, guys. More practice. From where you practice? From the test series you can practice. So practice the test series questions, and this is the right time to attend marathons and practice sessions, because by this time you are already done with 9 subjects. You got the overview of 9 subjects. At least, yes, I agree, you are not still confident, but 70-80% you know everything. You have taken subject wise tests, so you know how questions will come, what topic is what, which topic is very frequently asked, which is important, which formula important, everything you know now by this time. So now attend practice sessions, marathons. We BYJU'S Exam Prep, yes, in this time we will conduct marathons, guys, for you guys. We will conduct practice sessions, subject wise we will conduct, and we will conduct mock tests, marathons, a full day marathon or 5 hours marathon. So attend those, and we make sure we conduct on Sundays or on the days where you can attend easily. So utilize them. Okay, now the last quarter. So the last quarter, yes, you have to attempt full length mock tests. Marathons, what sir? Full length mock tests? Marathons are live sessions where we will give you questions, we will give some time to solve. Immediately we will explain the solution. Mock test is a gate exam, a similar to gate exam for you. No one is there to explain the solution there. So that is for your self assessment, where there are so many portals which gives you all India rank, all India level rank also for that. That's why we are conducting mock tests, guys. Already we have started conducting the mock tests, all India level mock tests. We do conduct by that time. So take full length mock test, guys. Minimum 2 in a week. Minimum 2 in a week. So 25 days means 4 weeks, right? Approximately 4 weeks. So I am suggesting 2 in a week. So minimum 8 full length mock tests you have to take. Minimum 8. And it is not just for the namesake attempting the mock test, guys. Take it serious. Feel like you are really writing the gate exam. And after the mock test result, you do some analysis. Arey, why I have made this question wrong? Why I am unable to solve this question? Was the time not sufficient? What's the actual mistake? Why I have got only 50 marks? My aim is 68, 70 marks, no? Right? So in that way, you have to do from mock test to mock test, you should do some analysis, you should show some improvement. Get to know your mistakes. If it is in the hurry, due to hurry you are doing the mistake, you please practice that. By looking at any question, you should not be hurry. If it is lack of time, you know, so understand what questions to attempt first, what questions not to attempt, what questions to postpone, what questions to attempt. Like that, in this 8 mock tests, 8 to 10 mock tests, by this time you will get a level of maturity that how to manage time in these 3 hours, how you can attempt more questions with more accuracy and speed. So just you practice, preparation, practice is not just enough. Time management is also needed. So for that I am suggesting this, that too in the last quarter. So once you full length mock tests are over, analyze that mock test result, identify where you can improve and work on them. And don't forget to refer this short notes or formula notes of all total 9 subjects or 10 subjects, whatever, like just as a buffer. If you prepare one subject extra also fine, otherwise also fine, but keep referring this short notes, formula notes. With third quarter you are leaving all, just you are working on the mock test, no. So I am telling you should keep referring the short notes, because it's, after all, we are human beings, our tendency is to forget the things, right? Even the known formula, in the pressure you will do mistake. If you think you know that formula, but you have not seen that formula since 30 days, since 20 days, then obviously you will get some confusion. Array, here plus or minus, here T1 or T2, in that kind you will get confusion. So to avoid that, I am telling this, keep referring these short notes, important points, formula notes. Okay, so that's it guys. You just work this way, divide your time into 4 quarters, 4 parts. What you are supposed to do in this every part I have explained clearly. I hope you understood it and implement it with seriousness, with dedication, with commitment, because you are doing this for you. And this 100 days only one mission, that is GATE. So change your priorities. I know you have so many other commitments, but please, for this 100 days, the top priority should be GATE preparation. Other things please manage. Okay. I hope Sri Lakshmi, Prashant, Akash and everybody, whatever I said, does it make some sense for you? Do you feel if you can do it really, definitely you will be confident, you will be under 100? Yes or no? Fine. Our BYJU'S exam prep now offer the test series for GATE and ESE at affordable prices. So for the details, please download our app and visit our website, or you may contact our help desk. They will be happy to assist you on this. Okay, guys, if you want to be in connect with me, please do join my Telegram group if you have not joined yet. This is the link. Okay, you can type cs underscore by underscore Satya. You will just get the suggestion from where you can join and connect with me. Thank you so much guys for joining the session. I hope this session helped you in understanding the strategy for 100 days preparation to be under 100. So guys, what you feel? This plan seems to work out? Please share something, everybody, before we sign off. I want to hear from you. So will you do this? I want every one of you to succeed, every one of you to fulfill your aspiration, guys. So take it serious. This 100 days, please utilize productively. Try to follow this kind of strategy. You plan, you sit for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. First, make proper plan, proper feasible plan in your convenient way, but stick to that plan. Do preparation consistently. Definitely success would be yours. Okay. So guys, if you feel this this session is helpful, please do like it, share and subscribe to our BYJU'S Exam Prep GATE channel. Thank you so much dear friends. See you in the next session. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Good night everyone. Bye bye.